Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve NSO Set A 2016 paper of class 1. So let's begin. The first section is logical reasoning, and the first question of the first section is: there is certain relationship between the pair of figures, like you can see bird has a house which is nest. In the same way, fish has a house. What is it called? So it is water. Next, Trisu is sleeping in the dash. So when we sleep at night. Next, friends, complete the figure pattern. Here we have following figures like red and yellow red square and yellow circle, yellow square and red circle, green square and yellow circle. So what will be the next one? As you can see, a square and circle colors are interchanged in the next section. So by that rule, the only possibility is option C. Now, question number 4. Which of the following alphabet is not present on the blackboard? So if we observe, L is present here, F is not present here, so F will be the answer for our question. Now, question number 5. We have to make the group of 4 cats in each. So let's make it. Here we have the first group. Here we have the second group. Here we have the third group. Here we have the fourth group. Here we have the fifth group. And the last one is sixth group. The total number of groups is 6. Now let's move forward to next page, and here is our question number 6. Which of the following statements suggest that a battery operated car is not living thing? So what are the points we can take? It doesn't reproduce, the point number 3, and it doesn't breathe, point number 4. So I think these two will be sufficient to prove that a car is a non-living organism or non-living thing. So option D. Now let's read the 7th question. Ramya planted plant X in her garden. She tied it with steam. Tied the stem of the plant to a pole placed beside it in the soil to help it grow. So which kind of these plants need help to grow above? It must be a climber one, and we are well known that only money plant is climber among the following. So option B will be the correct one. Now, which one is incorrect match? Here it is mango leaf, banana leaf, neem leaf, and pine leaf. So which one is correct? Incorrect match, friends. So the last one, D, is not a pine leaf, it is a peepal tree leaf. Question number 9. Which one? Select the bird that is an odd one out among the following. So it can be clearly seen in this figure that this bird can fly, and none of these are able to do that. Madhur, mom, it seems you have lit an incense stick, agarbatti, in his house. So which body part Madhur most likely to use to know about the incense stick? So we all are well known that the smell of agarbatti can be felt with the help of nose. So Madhur use nose. Next, question number 11, in select the correct match of the habits and the place where it should be practiced. Playing football classroom. No, it's not the correct match. Walking slowly stairs. So, is it the correct match, friends? What do you think? Is it the correct match? Yes, it is, because running on road can be accidental while bathing in playground is also not suitable. The only suitable option is option C. Let's see question number 12. The given figure shows that dash a inflated football is heavier than the football which is not inflated. So let's see. Blown out football is heavier. Of course it is heavier. Option A is the correct match. Okay. Sorry. Blown out, not blown up football is heavier. Okay. Now, question number 13. Air, wind, blown up balloon and storm. Column 1 is represented by these words and column 2 has moving air. Air takes up a space, fast and strong wind, and all around us. This kind of option. So which is most suitable here? We will go with it. So first let's take the option A, which is matchable to 4, because we all are well known that air is surrounding the earth. So we all are surrounded by it. Now wind. So wind is a type of fast moving air. Option 3. So A4 and B3. The only option which matches this criteria is option B. So we will go with it. Question number 14, friends. All living things breathe air except which? Tell me which one of the following breathe air except. So if you see the options, fish because they live in water, no, it is not. They also take the air or come out over the surface of water to breathe in. Plant because they don't move, no, it is not correct. Earthworm, it is also not correct. So none of these will be the correct option. Question number 15. Ruchi put a healthy herb in a well-watered pot with good quality soil. Then she cut the part X of the plant. She noticed that the plant withered in a day and identified plant X and select the correct option. So what is it? So the correct option will be root, because when we cut it out, it results the consequences to the plant. Suman read the weather forecast in a newspaper as shown here. Which of the following she can most likely to do in such weather condition? So if we see, it is clearly shown that here is a cloudy weather and the maximum chances of it to rain, like it is a rainy weather. So what we can do, she can wear cotton clothes in this? No. She can drink warm milk. She play in puddles of water. What will be the correct option? Or she can make snowman. So here we have the correct option is snowman making, because it is not a kind of normal rain, it is a snowfall rain. Okay guys, so we will go with option A, which is 1 and 3 also. Like in cold regions, this kind of rain happens when it is known as snowfall or snow rain. Okay, now which of the following things will prevent germs on our hands? So which one of it will prevent germs? Option B. Question number 18. Select the option correctly states the activity is done with the help of air and water. So which swimming in air and drying clothes in water, it is correct one? No, it is not a correct one. Putting out fire, like in air we have to put out fire? No. Water for bathing, it is correct but it is not. Air, transportation and transportation, yes, transportation can be done with both of this platform, so C will be the right one here. Question number 19. A group of letters is given in the box. Which of the following things needed by human to make humans can be spelled using these letters? So needed by humans can be spelled by the given letters. So let's see. A type of summer clothing. So what is it? So I want you all to solve this and mention in the comment section what is the name or what is the scrambled word name here, so that I can check how much attentive you guys are during watching this video. Okay, let's move and I will tell you the answer of this question. The answer will be option B, a food that keeps our bone and teeth healthy. Now you guys have to find out what is the name of this substance. Okay, now let's see question number 20. Richa's great aunt has no babies. Is she a living being? What is your term or what is your stand over this, guys? Let's see the options. Yes, because she is not growing and all living things do not grow. Is it correct? No. No, because all living things reproduce. Yes, but reproduction doesn't mean a kind of fertility. The aunt don't have the babies, that means the fertility is, she has some sort of fertility issue. You will get to know about it in the future classes of yours. So what will be the correct option right now? Option C. Yes, because she can breathe and living things breathe. Okay. Question number 21. Which of the following obtained from the same type of plant from which the pumpkin is obtained? So the correct option here will be this watermelon, because both of these plant type are quite similar. It lives on the trees and has tail. Its sounds is called chattered. So which animal it is? So it is an infant. Okay. Now question number 23. Ali made 4 group of domestic animals, but he placed one wild one of the group. So can you please find it? Like we have to find out the group in which he placed one wild animal. So let's check it. Cow, buffalo, goat, hen, goat, buffalo, horse, sheep, hen, frog, cow, and horse. So which of the following is not the correct? Which of the following includes a wild animal? So frog, we all are well known that we don't domesticate frog in our homes and for our uses. So let's check the next page, check out it. And question number 24, unscramble the given words and select the option that gives the name of the home of this animal. Stubble is the option, and option B is the correct option for this question number 24. Refer to the given conversation below between two friends. Priya, hello Nidhi, so nice to see you. Please have a seat. Nidhi, thank you Priya, it has been a long time since we met. In which of the following room Nidhi and Priya most likely present? So they must be present at the dining hall where sofa sets are available. It is not the bedroom nor the kitchen and nor the toilet. Okay. So 25 fifth question is much suitable with the option A. Sun looks like the sun looks like a big yellow dash on fire. So what is it? Is it elliptical or circular? So it is circular in nature, not elliptical. So we will go with it. Okay. Phases of moon are the dash. So what is it? Phases of moon are changing shapes of moon. Teacher gave a list to Lata and asked her to write examples of the things whose characters were mentioned in the list. The list completed by Lata is shown below. Things that can breathe, grow and reproduce. Ant. Is it correct? Yes. Now, non-living things that cannot increase in size. Jailbird. That can increase the size. Yes, jailbird. Question option 3. Living things that cannot move. Snail. Is it correct? No, it is not. Because snail moves, maybe the speed is quite slow, but they move. Okay. And then the things cannot be breathe and reproduce but can move is car. Okay. So which of these entries made by Lata are correct? So what is it? So I think the correct option here as per the given options are A, because 1, 2 and 4 cannot be correct because a car doesn't move on its own, and the fourth option is included in all the next sections, so we can't go with that, so we have to choose option A. Okay. Now question number 29, select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the paragraph. Birds have dash legs. So 2 legs, while insects have 6 legs. A spider have how many legs? A spider is a insect, so it also have 6 legs. Does it dash? It is an insect, so option A will be right one here. Select the odd one out. Okay. So here we have 4 underground vegetables. So which one is the odd one out here? Tell me. Option D, onion. Okay. It is the lattice like steam portion, not the main root. Now let's come to the most innovative section, achievers section. Some healthy habits are given below. An item that helps us in the following one of these habits is hidden in the grid. Identify the item related to the habit and select the correct option. Okay, so let's see which of the following is correct here. Like keeping our nails firmed. Then the next one is washing hands before and after eating, and then brushing the teeth daily. So if we go with it, and keeping our hair clean. So if we look at the options, then we must go with soap and toothpaste. Okay, so here we have tooth, then here we have one more option which is related to what? Hair cleaning, which is shampoo. Okay, and then the last one is nail polish or nail paint, keeping the nails trimmed, nail cutter or cutter we can use it. So here we have cut. Okay, so the only option which is not available for us is option D. Okay, now let's move on to the next section or next question, which is 32. Richa did an activity as shown here. She observed bubbles coming out of the glasses. What does this activity show? So what is it show? The empty glass filled with air, yes. Water displaces air in the glass, yes. Air comes out of the water in the form of bubbles, yes. All these. So it will show all the following characteristics mentioned above. Now let's move on to the 33rd question. Neha was experimenting with two rats. She placed first rat in the box with all essential things required for living except eggs. It died within a minute. So eggs must be air because we can't live without it. And if we go and check it, so it is option D. So the correct option will be option D, because without it we can't live. Air is the most essential thing to live. Now read the following statements made by two friends. Madhu, I can see bright orange sun which is looking quite big. So for this she needs eyes. Okay. Ram, I can see that sun is moving down. Okay, for both of these options, see, these guys need eyes. Let's see what's next and what is the demand of the question. Now select the correct option regarding this. Only Ram is incorrect because sun always moves up. Is it correct, my dear friends? Both Madhu and Ram are correct and they are talking about sunrise. Is it correct? No. Both Madhu and Ram are correct and they are talking about sunset. Yes, it is correct because sun moves down only when the time of sunset come. Okay. Now 35th and the last question of this question paper. Let's see. The given table shows the different conditions provided by baby plant ABCD. Which of the following plant will remain alive after a week? So plant needs air, sunlight, water and soil. So which of the following condition, like which one will survive? Option A, because it has the fulfillment of all the four things, essential things, vital things for the livelihood of plant. So that's it, friends. We are done with the full explanation of class 1 NSO paper set A of 2016. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are willing to join our paid courses, then mention it in the comment section. We will contact you. Thank you.